Today is Christmas Day. Last night Santa dropped us some presents for me and Soumyo, and we are going to unbox these presents. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, but
okay. So this is Soumyo's present, and this is my present. Okay. So we're gonna start off with Soumyo's present. We're gonna start off with this.
yeah, but this is the course.
Okay, so open it.
Look, this is a voucher GTA 5.
This is a
This is
Soumyo
a
mixer.
This is a chocha. This is a color. This is a what? A show. I love you both.
Okay, so that's it. So this is Soumyo's present. That's what's in my present.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is.
Oh!
So
That
this
was
is,
big.
okay, so this is my present. This is a bowling set. This is a popcorn maker. And then we have some candy. We have
Wow.
stickers, some
I'm not
nuts,
candy.
and some these.
Yes. What will you do?
So let's unbox this one, the bowling set. Okay, so let's unbox this.
Yes. I'm not making these good toys. Stop beating me.
So these are the bowling balls. So one ball,
Wow,
two ball,
I remember seeing these balls before.
and these are the balls. 1, 2, 3,
Wow.
4, 5. Six. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more of our video, subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.